Since 1881, steam locomotives have been pounding the rails of the Texas State Railroad.
Hello, I'm Ed Stabler. Join me for a look at this 30-mile-long living museum. Our camera crews have photographed it from angles that few have ever seen. And we'll also take a look at the history of the area as we go.
Iowa Pacific Holdings Corporation has recently taken over operation of the railroad, and members of the staff will give us a look at what lies ahead as the Texas State Railroad highballs toward a bright future. Produced entirely by volunteers, every cent of the purchase price of this DVD goes directly to this wonderful railroad to help preserve it for future generations. Copies are available at the depots in Rusk and Palestine, Texas, or may be ordered online at texasstaterr.com.